welcome back. In my previous video, I was telling you about reading comprehension and reading unseen passage. What does it mean? Reading comprehension and reading unseen passage. Dear student, this is unseen passage. Why? क्योंकि स्टडी के दौरान साल भर में हमारी बुक्स में किताबों में कहीं भी ये पढ़ने के लिए नहीं आता है. Still, it plays very important role in our examination. क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन हमारे लिए हमारे सिलेबस से बाहर से आता है. Why so? In this question, evaluator want to know that how good we are in understanding, how good we are to arranging all these words in order in form of answers. Now let me tell you that reading comprehension. Comprehension means to comprehend, which means to understand. Dear student, this comprehension word come from Latin word comprehensionum, which means to seize. Seizing. What seizing? Yes, seizing here means to know and to get the knowledge out of this passage, to know the central idea just in the core of the passage given us. Okay, let's talk about notes making. In this video, I'm going to tell you about notes making. How to make notes, how to crack it down, how to solve this question in limited number of time. Dear student, this question has much similarity with the first one because this question is again unseen. हमारे syllabus के बाहर से आया होता है. Evaluator want to check that how good we are in understanding. Same way, यहाँ भी हमें पैराग्राफ को अच्छी तरह से अंडरस्टैंड करना जरूरी होता है. First of all, you will read the passage with understanding, with concentration, with attentions, and little bit with more speed so that you could solve this question in a limited number of time or limited number of minutes. Now, one very important thing, because this question has almost 6 to 7 paragraph. हर पैराग्राफ की फर्स्ट लाइन में आपको एक कीवर्ड मिलेगा, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, मेन हेडिंग मिलेगी और उस मेन हेडिंग के बारे में जो कुछ भी नीचे बताया गया है वो उसके सब पॉइंट्स होते हैं, छोटी सब हेडिंग्स उसके लिए होती है. ऑलराइट, सेम वे अगले पैराग्राफ में भी आपको मिलेगा. एटलीस्ट यू शुड टेक 3 to 4 मेन हेडिंग एंड सेम वे विद ईच मेन हेडिंग you should carry 3 to 4 subheading and points with it. While you write notes, abbreviation plays very important role. It makes your note making very effective and attractive. जहां कहीं भी आपको appropriate, उचित या लंबा शब्द मिलता है, वर्ड मिलता है, उसको कंसाइज करिए, छोटा करिए और इन सभी छोटे वर्ड के पीछे एक डॉट लगाइए जस्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई कि यस ये एब्रीविएटेड वर्ड है एंड ऑल दीज एब्रीविएटेड वर्ड यू विल पुट इन ए ब्लॉक एंड यू विल राइट देम ब्यूटिफुली. नाउ टाइटल इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सेंट्रल आइडिया एंड दिस पैसेज यू कैन नॉट गिव appropriate title to it. So dear student, it is very important that you should understand the central idea so that you could supply good title and appropriate title to this. That's it. Now I'm going to read out a passage for you and after that you will see that how you could do that. English is important not because a number of people know it in India, although it is a factor to be remembered. It is not important because it is the language of Milton and Shakespeare, although that also has to be considered. English is important because it is the major window for us to the modern world and we dare not close that window. If we close it, we imperil our future. We think our 5-year plans, industrialization, scientific development and technology, but every door of modern knowledge will close if we do not have one or more foreign languages. We need not have English if we have French, German or Russian, if you like. But obviously, it is infinitely simpler for us to deal with a language which we know than to shift over to French, German, Russian, or Spanish, which will be a tremendous job. Certainly, we want to learn French, German, Russian, Spanish, or other foreign languages because we deal with people of those languages in business, trade, and science. Every competent scientist today has to know 2 or 3 non-Indian languages. It is inevitable that in the present stage of our development, with our 5-year plans, industrializations, mechanizations, scientific progress and research, we cannot progress with all the Indian languages put together. If we want to stick to them only without foreign languages, we cannot go ahead. This is your passage here. I hope you understood the passage. Now, on the basis of your reading of the above passage, we will make notes on it in points only, and we will use recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary. See how. My first main heading is importance of English language. Importance English language. इन तीनों को मैंने abbreviate कर दिया है. Right? My first sub-heading will be many Indian know English language. Next, language of Milton and Shakespeare. Next is window to modern knowledge. Modern and knowledge, again abbreviated. Not dare to stop learning English language. Right? My main heading number 2. Why can't dare to close the window of English language? This is my main heading. Subheading is imperil our future. Number 2. Need for industrializations, science, development and progress. Close modern knowledge. Again, knowledge और modern यहाँ पे abbreviated है. Main heading number 3. Why should we learn more than one language? My first subheading will be only Indian language. Not sufficient. Sufficient को abbreviated. Need foreign languages. Next, subheading. Languages to learn. Number 1, Roman or Russian, French, German, Spanish, other foreign languages. Next point is, why need to know languages? Yes. A. Deal with people. B. Easy to do business. C. Trade, modernization, development, progress. Next, scientific progress and research are some very important sub-points to this main heading. Now let's talk about abbreviations. Importance, English language, modern knowledge, scientific development, industrializations, business and research are abbreviated words from this passage which we have already included in our notes making. Now you will put them into the block and will write neatly. Last task is here to give appropriate title. हालांकि इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे टाइटल पूछा नहीं गया है, still we have to give. So according to my knowledge and my understanding, I can supply title to it that will be importance of language. That's it, dear student. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.